Today I was called to get a swarm that came out of the corner of this house up here and landed over here on this bush. The plan was to get the entire swarm box into the net ahead of time so that I didn't have to do it once all the bees were in there, which is a little bit more difficult. I had no idea of the problems I was going to face very soon. It was about 46 degrees, very cold and very windy. These bees were in no mood to get bumped off of this bush. I was trying not to breathe on them because every time I did they would come at my face. So now the second part of my plan is to put an empty super on top to funnel the bees straight into the box and get as many inside the box as possible. But as you'll see, that doesn't happen. I have the wrong tool.
That's all I can find.
Completely wrong tool. And this happens. It won't even cut at all. And now I can't reach them to the box because I didn't put the box close enough. And get lit up. So now I'm coming in with the homeowner's tool, and that's not going to work either. And I just get stung. Stung even more. So screw it, I'm going to just shake them in. And get the hell out of there because they were mad. So I got most of them in there, a few on the bag. Overall, slightly successful. Here I just want to close them up and keep as many inside the bag as possible. But this call did not go smoothly, to say the least. But I did manage to get them home without too many flying around in the car. Thanks for watching.